Welcome to this CommunityViz video tutorial. This video tutorial will demonstrate how to use the Formula Wizard. In Scenario 360, there are a number of different ways to make formulas. Decision tool wizards, such as the Common Impacts wizard, are the easiest way to create formulas, but they are designated for specific purposes that may not be exactly what you want. If that is the case, you can use the Formula Wizard to create your own tailored analysis formulas. To create even more advanced or complex analysis formulas, you can use the Formula Editor. You can learn more about the Formula Editor in the Formula Editor video tutorial. The Formula Wizard assists you in constructing the most common types of analysis formulas. You can use the Formula Wizard to create indicator or attribute formulas. The Formula Wizard is an option when you are setting up either dynamic attributes or indicators on the 360 Setup tab. The wizard is similar for both. Let's make a formula for a new indicator. Click the Indicators icon on the 360 Setup tab, then click New Indicator. I'll call the indicator Open Space Per Person. And I'm going to make a chart for this indicator so that we can look back at the results later. Now click on the Formula tab at the top, and then click Formula Wizard. The initial screen of the Formula Wizard gives me a number of different options to help decide what I would like the indicator to measure. For this example, I will need to know the total amount of open space in my area, so I'll choose Add Values of Attribute. Click Next on the wizard. On the next screen of the wizard, I will choose the layer and attribute to sum. In this analysis, I don't have a separate layer representing open space, but I do have a zoning layer that I can use. For Select Layer, I will choose Zoning. For Select Attribute to Sum, I'll choose Shape Area. Since I'm summing only one land use, open space, I will click the radio button Sum Selected Features in Zoning. My attribute in the table will be zoning TY equals, and the value will be A, which stands for Agriculture Conservation District. Since I want to figure out open space per person, I'm going to have to divide by the total number of people. So on the next screen, I'm going to choose to include additional calculations or values in this formula. I will choose the Divide button at the drop-down on the top. Then I'm going to choose Reference a Specific Value so that I can enter the population. On the next screen, I'm going to choose the current value of an indicator, Common Impacts Population. Next, I will finish this formula. On the next screen, I will check this box to convert the units from square feet to acres. Then I can preview the results here. When I click Finish, the Formula Wizard will create the indicator formula for me. You can see it here in the indicator list. And if you open up the setup window again, you can see the formula is already there. Now let's take a look at the results. We will open our charts and look at our new indicator. This is the current value, but because I've set up a dynamic formula, that value may change as I work with my analysis. For example, if I adjust one of the assumptions tied to this calculation, the value updates automatically. It also updates if I make changes to the map, like changing some zoning using the Painter tool in an open editing session. This has been just one example of using the Formula Wizard to create your own dynamic formulas in Scenario 360. You can use it yourself to write the formulas you need. For more information, look for helpful prompts on the screen, or, as always, you can use the built-in help. Thank you for watching this CommunityViz video tutorial. For more CommunityViz video tutorials and help resources, please visit our website.